Hello, geometry students. Today you will be working on asynchronous activity number 2, a map of my household. You will be using the floor plan that you made for asynchronous activity number 1. The instructions for the activity are on the right side of the screen. For example, if I map out my household, you can usually find me in my office, my husband in his office, my cat Remy on his cat tree in the dining room, and my dog Harley on a couch in the living room. I am using my pets as members of my household to demonstrate this activity, but you should only use people. Once you have mapped out the members of your household, label each point using the alphabet from oldest to youngest. Then label the points with their coordinates. Now that the points are labeled, connect each point from oldest to youngest. What shape or polygon does your mapping make? Here, the polygon created is a convex quadrilateral. Research what is the difference between a convex and concave polygon. Be sure to look at the definitions as well as images. Once you describe your shape or polygon, determine the distance between each point. For example, the distance between me and my husband can be found using the Pythagorean theorem. My horizontal length is 6, and my vertical length is 10. So, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 6 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. 36 plus 100 equals c squared. 136 equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides. And the distance between me and my husband is about 11.66 units. The distance between A and B is 11.66 units. To write this in mathematical symbols, we do A to B is equal to 11.66. The segment with endpoints A and B is equal to 11.66 units. The distance between B and C is 10.77 units. In other words, BC is equal to 10.77. The distance between C and D is 4 units. In other words, CD is equal to 4. And the distance between D and A is 10.77 units. In other words, DA is equal to 10.77. So the perimeter of the polygon, quadrilateral ABCD, is equal to 37.2 units. If I add up all the sides of the quadrilateral, Those are the tasks for asynchronous activity number 2. This activity is due the next asynchronous day at 10 a.m. Good luck!